What's up, Iamers? It's Ike Pause, and today I have something really important to tell you, or to talk about rather. I have someone in my Facebook group. If you're interested in joining my Facebook group to get free advice on how to profit online, please do. The information is down below. Anyways, one of the subscribers, Penny, she emailed me earlier, and I had her ask the same question in my Facebook group so everyone can get the benefit of my answer here. Okay, so here's what she says, and this is her question, right? I'm just wondering what theme you use for your e-com sites. Do you offer a refund for your printables? If so, for how long? Where do you state the refund if you offer one? Also, how do you collect email addresses? Do you use a plugin? Thanks. Okay, some really good questions here. Okay, first off, she's referring to my printable business. Okay, I sell printables. Printable, all that is when someone downloads something and prints it out, physically prints it out and uses it. Things that might be considered printables or printable games like bingo, right? They might buy a specific type of bingo game off the site. They buy it, they download it, and the end user prints it out and uses it at a party or something, okay? That's what a printable is. Sometimes people print out, they buy printable calendars, printable journals, printable Sudoku games. There's so many types of printable products you can sell, okay? And if you're interested on how to create and sell printables, I have information about a course I created called Printly. The information is down below. Okay, that's besides the point. I want to get to Penny's questions, okay? So the first one is, what theme do you use on your e-com sites? Okay, now it doesn't matter the theme. Okay, basically you want your content to be above the fold. Okay, you want your products, you want your content, you want your videos, whatever the case is, to be above the fold. What do I mean by above the fold? Simply this: that your end user, once they click onto your site, they don't have to scroll down to see your content, right? It's right there. As soon as the page opens up, all your content's there. That's above the fold. That's the only criteria. But to answer Penny's question, for my baby shower site, I use I think the theme is called Pretty Darn Cute. Pretty Darn Cute. It's a child theme within Genesis. Now, Genesis themes is a premium type of WordPress theme. You don't need it if you're starting out. But just to answer a question, I use Pretty Darn Cute for this one. And for my Sudoku site, I use Thrive themes, another premium. But you don't need it if you're starting out selling printables. You don't need these. You can get WooCommerce for free. That's the eCommerce plugin I use, 100% free. Okay, and you can use any free theme within WordPress. Don't be shy. You just use whatever you find. Just make sure, like I said, it's above the fold. Okay, so when someone lands on your site, the content's already there. Okay, they don't have to scroll down to see your products or your post. Okay, cool. Next question she asked is, do you offer a refund for your printables? Okay, if so, how long? Where do you state the refund if you offer one? Okay, I do not offer refunds for my printables. I always have it somewhere in my sales page. Okay, if you scroll down, for example, this Bohemian printable that I sell a lot of, if you scroll down here, it should be here. Okay, here it goes. This is what I state with on the sales page. These files are not for resale. Okay, that means the end user, my customer, cannot resell these. Okay. Also, there are no refunds. Okay. So once they buy it, they can't get a refund. Okay. Why? Because it's a digital product. People buy it. They might feel like, hey, why should I pay for this? So once they have the product, and they can do whatever they want with the product. They might come back at you with a refund request, and you're left high and dry while they use your product, which is not cool. Okay. So in many printable niches, you can get away with not offering a refund. I know in other niches, like the internet marketing niche, for example, refunds are standard practice. Not with my baby shower site, not with my Sudoku site. Okay, definitely that's a big no-no. Okay. Also, I also state these files are only for your own personal use. Therefore, they cannot use them for anything else, only for what they only for their own use. Okay, so if they're having a baby shower and they're buying my baby shower printables, they're going to use it for their baby shower or their friend's baby shower. That's it. Okay, same thing with my Sudoku site, right? With my Sudoku, if you scroll down here, you'll see that I have the same stuff written. Files are not meant to be resold, no refunds. These files are only used for personal use. All files are in .zip format. So zip format is a compressed file that makes it that frees up space for your website, for your hosting, and on your users, on your customer's computer. You know, it's a smaller file. They just unzip it and they get the PDF, okay, right there. And I let them know you need to unzip it, the printable, after download. Okay, and the files are not editable. That means you can't change the files. Okay, they're fixed. This goes for my baby shower site as well. Simple stuff. What else? How do you collect emails? Do you use a plugin? I do not use a plugin to collect emails. I do collect emails. I think email marketing is a big part of any type of online business. I think you should be collecting leads, offering your traffic some freebie that will help them give them immediate satisfaction in whatever niche you're in. Okay, you want to create a funnel. Now, why do you want to do email marketing? Very simple. You want to have control over your traffic. Okay, once your traffic comes into your email funnel, you can message them, contact them, give them more useful information, give them more guides, and also, of course, give them offers that pay you at the same time, help them in whatever niche you're in. So that's what I do when it comes to my printables. I do not offer refunds. Of course, depending on what you're doing. If you're doing affiliate marketing, then some of the vendors do offer refunds, and actually most of them do offer refunds. With my printable business, I offer no refunds whatsoever. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know below. If you're interested about selling printables, creating and selling printables, check out the links below. If you want to join my Facebook group, by all means, join down below. Talk to you later. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back with more content, tutorials, and guides on how to profit online. Okay, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.